बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद व अज्जल फरज आले मुहम्मद. Today we are studying 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions and some more examples. 2 plus 4 cycloaddition reaction. These are also called Diels-Alder reaction. We have already studied a retro Diels-Alder reaction, any reversible reaction, is favored at high temperature. Diels-Alder reaction become fast by increasing concentration of reactants or decreasing concentration of products. Diene in for the Diels-Alder reaction must be in schizoid conformation for the formation of cyclic transition state. Diene 1,3-butadiene is more stable in schizoid conformation than its transoid conformation. जी मैं तो घर आ गया हूँ, डॉक्टर अफसल कमर साहब को बुला रहा हूँ. अगर आना है तो मैं फिर वापस आ जाऊंगा, लेकिन मैं घर आ गया हूँ, मेरा घर काफ़ी दूर है. आप पूछ लें. ठीक हो. Diene must be in the schizoid conformation for the formation of cyclic transition state. Diene 1,3-butadiene is more stable in the schizoid conformation than its transoid conformation. This is the transoid conformation of 1,3-butadiene. When rotation occurs, this becomes the schizoid conformation, and this combines with the ethene and cyclic transition state. This is formed. This cyclic transition then changes into the adduct. This is the cyclohexene. Diene with a rigid transoid geometry are unreactive and ineffective. Dienes which with the rigid transoid which cannot change, not change into the schizoid conformation. Dienes with the rigid transoid geometry or shape are unreactive and are ineffective in the Diels-Alder reaction. Diene with schizoid conformations are effective. These are the examples of effective dienes which have the schizoid conformation. 1,3-butadiene, this may be substituted. This is OR substituent. This OR may be substituted at this carbon, 1 carbon. OR may be substituted at 2 and 3 carbons. And this is the alkyl substitution. This is alkyl substitution on 1 carbon. This is on 2 carbon. 2 and 3 may be substituted. 2, 3 may be substituted, and carbon form double bond with the oxygen and double bond with the nitrogen. This carbon has substituent R alkyls, and then double bond with the nitrogen, and it is substituted by R, and this is the R substituent on the nitrogen. These dienes are all reactive and effective for the, these are the schizoid have the schizoid conformation on for Diels-Alder reaction. R is the small alkyl group. This is also effective diene. This is has the substituent. This is also effective diene. This is also effective diene in the cyclic ring form. This is also effective carbon bond, and this is the alkyl group attached on carbon, double bond with sulfur, double bond with nitrogen, and this is the alkyl group. This is also cyclic diene effective, and this is the naphthalene. In naphthalene, 9 and 10 on the 9 and 10 carbon substitution addition occurs, like this is the 9 and 10, and when it is heated with the ethene, so then addition occurs on 9 and 10 carbon. These are ineffective dienes which have the transoid conformation. This is ineffective diene. This is also ineffective diene. This is transoid conformation, rigid transoid conformation. Naphthalene and benzene, these are also ineffective due to the loss of a high resonance energy when product is formed. Naphthalene, benzene, these are ineffective. This is the alkyne 1,3-butadiene is also ineffective due to the linear shape. 1,3-butadiene is ineffective in Diels-Alder reaction due to its linear geometry. In anthracene, addition occurs at C9 and C10. This is the anthracene. This is the ethene, and addition occurs at 9 and 10 carbon. Benzene, naphthalene are ineffective due to the loss of high resonance energy in the product. Product which is formed has low resonance energy, therefore it is these are ineffective for the Diels-Alder reaction. Effective dienophiles of Diels-Alder reaction are derivatives of ethylene, ethene, or acetylene, or they are analogous with the heteroatoms. Maybe they are analogous with the heteroatoms. This is the ethene. These are the dienes and dienophile. Dienophile maybe ethene derivative. This is the ethene derivative substitution on two carbon carboxyl group, and this is the ester group, and this is one carbon ester group and two carbon ester group. These may be CH2 double bond C, and this is the OR and subsequent OR. This may be triple bond and C double OR and C double O R subsequent. This is the carbon double bonded with the oxygen, and these are the methyl groups. Carbon double bonded with sulfur, these are methyl groups. Carbon double bond, and this is the OR, and OR is attached on these carbon atoms. This is the R is C. This is the double bond NO2. जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. हाँ वालेकुम अस्सलाम. मैं ना असलम सब सेंड करने लगा हूँ. हाँ वालेकुम अस्सलाम. मैं ना हाँ वालेकुम अस्सलाम. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं ना वो सेंड करने लगा हूँ. हाँ अल्लाह की शुक्र है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. मैं ना वो कॉलेज की क्लास ले रहा था, तो इस वजह से ना वो डिस्टर्बेंस पैदा हुई. मैं उन्हें सेंड करने लगा. हाँ नहीं मैं वो दोबारा करता हूँ, सेंड करता हूँ दोबारा. हाँ वो मैं उन्हें बता देता हूँ. ठीक. हाँ ठीक हो गया. वो कल सर ने भी बता दिया था, मैं बता देता हूँ उन्हें. ठीक ओके. ठीक है अल्लाह हाफिज़. ये कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड है और NO2 ग्रुप यहाँ पे अटैच है. इसी तरह से ये कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड साइनाइड ग्रुप सब्सिचुएंट है. ये कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड COOR और COOR अटैच है यहाँ सब्सिचुएंट. ये कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड और COOR सब्सिचुएंट है. कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड COOH सब्सिचुएंट है यहाँ पे. और फिर इसमें ये नाइट्रोजन, दिस इज द हेट्रो एटम एनालॉगस ऑफ द इथीन. नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड, और ये फिनाइल ग्रुप सब्सिचुएंट है. ये ऑक्सीजन ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड O2 है. ये नाइट्रोजन नाइट्रोजन डबल बॉन्ड और अल्काइल सब्सिचुएंट और एराइल सब्सिचुएंट C6H5 है यहाँ पे. और दिस इज द कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड और SO2R सब्सिचुएंट है. कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड COOR और COOR सब्सिचुएंट है. कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड और COOR और COOR ट्रांसफॉर्म में ये सब्सिचुएंट्स अटैच हैं. दीज आर ऑल इफेक्टिव डाइनोफाइल्स इन द Diels-Alder reaction. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद व अज्जिल फरज आले मुहम्मद.